So if you click on the YuStudio tab and then tutorials, it has the basics, which is pretty much what I've just done. And then you've got your how-to video. So if I click on that, and then it'll show you some different things that you can do. One of the brilliant things about this, though, is that you can have the video playing while you have YuStudio open as well. So you can kind of follow exactly what he's doing, and you can do the same thing. You can copy what he's doing as you're going along, which I think is really, really useful. So you can see there.
Okay, so to set the tempo or speed of the track, just click here, you can see the tempo there.
You can do that yourself.
You can use these plus or minus keys to change the tempo. So we're going to set...
I think the best thing to do is just try and play with it. Just try and see what you can do with it and get used to using it. I mean, if you're familiar with Cubase, Logic, or GarageBand or whatever, or BandLab, then it's really, really easy to get going with it. Like I said, it is a little bit clunky in iPad, but again, it's just playing with it and getting used to it. If something kind of pops into your brain later on, then feel free to send me an email. I'm fairly certain you all have my email address. So yeah, just find me an email and I'll be happy to try and answer your questions if I can.